elevation of man. I'm not going to explain in details what it is right now, but it is a process that finally it goes up to the upper realms and it creates a chain reaction that in the end of this chain reaction, Abba and Ima will be within unity, and that unity will bring the sustenance back to Zir Pin Nukba. And when they get to their unity, basically mission accomplished. Obviously, it's much longer, there's many details, but that's a certain point you can start from. So, hopefully, we'll get to understand all the details of this wonderful process and be part of that and bring this flow of man and let it get to the highest and really make that wonderful effect of bringing down the abundance. Bringing down the abundance from the spiritual realms. Bring it down, bring it here. We want to see miracles in this world. We want to experience the unity. Nine, 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 nine. Eventually, the biggest revelation is the revelation of the kingdom of Hashem. And what is the revelation of the kingdom of Hashem? That we see that there's no objection, there's no opposition. We'll see it's all one. That's the real unity. The unity is the revelation of the kingdom of Hashem. The revelation of the kingdom of Hashem. When we'll see there's no opposition, there's no evil, there's no bad. Everything is good and everything is from Hashem. Bezrat Hashem, we'll see it very soon. Blessings from King David's tomb. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen v'amen.